Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Epic Games on your Steam Deck. So if you get the launcher, you can download like Rocket League or other games, and this is easy to do. So let's press the Steam button, open this up, and scroll on down to where it says Power. Switch to desktop, and once we're in the desktop mode, we can download something called Heroic, and this will allow us to open up the Epic Games launcher on our Steam Deck. So we don't need to install Windows or anything like that. So let's go down to Discovery, or Discover on the bottom. And I'll get the exact name once this opens up. So it's installed. I'll scroll through here. It's called Heroic Game Launcher. So just type that up in here, Heroic Game Launcher, exactly how this is. And it should display. You have to press X for the keyboard. So just type that in, Heroic. I'll probably spell it wrong. Alright, Heroic Game Launcher. Press Enter, should pop up right here. Press B. Go to this. Here it is. Then we can go to Launch. And you're going to have to sign in with your email address and password for Epic Games. So you can see I have Fall Guys downloaded. Rocket League. One thing that's nice about this is they come out with like free games every so often. So I got Callisto Protocol on there. And then, is that Plants vs. Zombie? Oh, it's gigantic. And I got Valorant right there as well. So you got the store. We can go to the store and just load this. And we can find the games. Otherwise, you can go to your library. So it says Epic Store, GOG Store, and Prime Gaming. So I got the Epic Games launcher right here. You can scroll on down. I thought there was another game coming out here. The Fallout Collection, that's coming out August 29th. So I want to go ahead and get this. These are the free games. And then I don't know what this Wildcard Football or something. So let's see. I'll just wait for these games to come out. I'll probably check up on that every once in a while. So once you have a game and you want to download it, you can just go to the top and you should be able to just download it. So if you go to download right here, this is for the actual launcher, which you don't need to install. So this says it's free. It's already in my library. So I can switch on over to my library now. You can just press the little download button. So let's go to this one. And it's going to be in Home, Deck, Games, Heroic, Install. And it's going to start it. So it doesn't seem like there is like a download window anywhere, so you can see the progress. For me, Rocket League just kind of downloaded. Well, actually down here, is it downloading? It's installing. Okay, good. So I can see it there. Now let's switch back over to the game mode. So I can see it on the desktop here, return to game. I'm going to launch Steam again. You can launch the game through the game mode or just the game option on here. So you have to add it to the library first. So once it's downloaded, you can do this. That's how I got Rocket League on the home screen before. So we'll just wait for this to boot up again. And it's very easy. You can just go to the game and then add it to the browser on the Steam Big Picture mode here. So it says remove from, installed locally, manage, hide this game. So remove non-Steam game from your library. That's pretty much how I added. So let's go all the way to the right. View more in your library. And we can press the R1 button. Installed, favorite, collection, non-Steam game. And this was where it was for me. And I pressed options on it. You can add it to new collection, remove from. So it's just in this section for me, add to favorites. So Rocket League is a favorite of mine. And then it should just boot up. So some of the games still do, like Fortnite has the anti-cheat stuff, so you can't launch that. But just check in with the free games, it's kind of worth it. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.